Newton's laws of motion, force and interactions. Learning activity sheet number 11.0. So Newton's law of motion, force and interaction. A force is a push or a pull. In SI units, force is measured in units of Newton, from the name of Isaac Newton, named for the English physician Isaac Newton. In terms of these units, so the formula to solve force is equals m multiply a. M is a mass, a is acceleration. To solve acceleration, another formula, v divided by time. V is velocity, t is time. To solve velocity, we know that already, distance over time. 1 Newton is equivalent of 1 kilogram mass over second squared. So a force is push or pull. So a force is an interaction between two objects or between an object and its environment. A force is a vector quantity with a magnitude and direction. So look at the image. I-push mo yung object, so you need to apply a force. Or ipo-pull mo yung object, you need to apply a force. So example, what force is required to accelerate an object having a mass of 8 kg at 7 meter per second squared? So given mass is 8 kg, acceleration is 7 meter per second squared. To solve force is equals m times a. So m is 8 kg, a or acceleration 7 meter per second squared. So the result is 56 Newton. Another example, number 2. A body of mass 20 kg was hit by a force of 200 Newton. What will be the acceleration of the body due to the impact of the force? Given mass 20 kg, force 200 Newton. To calculate acceleration, given the value, we have F divided by M. So F is 200 Newton, M is 20 kg. Gi-convert ko muna yung equivalent ng Newton. Kilogram, meter per second squared, right? And then 20, cancel natin yung kilogram. So matira kay meter per second squared. So 200 divided by 20 is equals 10 meter per second squared. Number 3. An object traveled with a velocity of 8 meter per second at time of 4 seconds. Calculate the acceleration. Given v 8 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. Ayan yung acceleration, v over t. When v is 8 meter per second, divide time na 4 seconds. So the result is 2 meter per second squared. Huwag kayong malito, yung velocity and acceleration is not same units. Ang velocity, wala siyang squared sa second niya. Pero sa acceleration, merong squared yung second niya sa time. Number 2. What is the force if the mass of the object is 10 kg? Given, mass is 10 kg and acceleration, nakuha natin yung result ng acceleration from letter A, 2 meter per second squared. Formula to solve a force, F is equals m multiply acceleration. When m is 10 kg, acceleration is 2 meter per second squared. So the result is 20 Newton. Calculate the distance of the object. Given is v 8 meter per second and time is 4 seconds. How to solve? Distance, d is equals v multiply time. So v natin is 8 meter per second times 4 seconds is equals 32 meter.